Now, how do you fix blue screen on the iPad? Let's get into it. Now, there might be more reasons why it is happening. First of all, there might be a color filter in place. For that, open up the settings, then find the accessibility, and then locate the display and a text size. At the bottom, you can find color filters, and if you have something in place, it might indeed make the screen look more blue or even like a shade of different colors, so turn off these filters right away. Now, if it didn't help with anything, try checking out the other filter section. So if you swipe down to access the control center, you can hold down on the brightness slider, and there are things like the night shift, dark mode, and a true tone. And specifically, true tone might change the screen, like the temperature slightly based on your surrounding and your environment. So this might make the whole screen look either a little bit more yellowish or like a blue tone. So play around with that to see if that makes any difference. If this didn't help, try restarting the iPad to see if it isn't caused by some random software glitch. If it didn't help either, then try updating to the latest software update. There is the latest iPad OS 26, and perhaps some minor things or issues might get fixed with that update. And if it still didn't help, it's likely at this point that it has been caused by an actual hardware damage of the display, which is, a little bit like a harder to fix, but it might as well be the thing. So let me know below in the comments what exactly caused the issue for you. Most definitely subscribe for more, and I'll catch you later.